We want to create a row and an ID each time we add a new row. This is really good for creating unique universal IDs. These are non-duplicated numbers that we can randomly assign, and then we can hold that ID for employees or for tracking, any kind of thing we want to use a very unique ID for each item or row. Let's do this. Of course, we could come here, insert row above, and then get some kind of ID creator or UUID creator and figure out the text here. But we want to do this with AppScript, and we don't want to do it automatically with a button. So let's do that. Go up to Extensions AppScript. Over here, you'll see My Function. So we're going to rename this Add Row with ID, and we're going to go spreadsheet app.get active sheet, insert row before 2. That's inserting the row before or above the second row. We're going to go spreadsheet app.get active sheet, get range, and going to the second row, going to the third column. That's because it is column C here. And now we're going to set value, and we're going to use utilities get UUID with parentheses. This utilities got get UUID is going to get us a unique identifier each and every time. So we're going to do Command S and save this function. We want to make sure we copy the name of the function, add row with ID. Over back in our sheet, we are going to insert a drawing. We'll create a shape here with some bevels like this. Add row. Make it a little bit smaller so that add row shows up. There, we're going to click and drag it over here to the right. And then up in the upper right corner, there's 3 dots. Click that, assign script, and then paste the name of the script here. So now I add a row, and the unique ID is already there for me to enter a new name and department they are in. And now this ID or employee ID could follow along this person forever. Very cool way to do this, very cool way to automate our sheets. But if you're looking for more automations, make sure you subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets, right here, right now.